Very good. So, this time, para maka-answer mo sa inyong module 5, so mag-discuss ta about sa polygon and how to find the exterior angle and the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a polygon, right? So, welcome to our math class. So now, before that, let's have a review. Saglit lang ha. Let's have a review about your lesson, Polygon in your module 4. So, na may papel and ballpen sa inyo ha. So, na may papel o ballpen diha sa inyo. Ano? So, now let's have an activity. So, as you can see, naatay tangram diri or a shape composed of 7 shape. Now, your task is inyong papel, so you have to list down, isulat ninyo unsa ang mga makita ninyo nga polygon given aning atong picture. Again, ilisulat ninyo unsa ang mga polygon na inyong makita ani nga picture. Di ba? Daghan tong polygon na nasa inyong module 4. If you can still remember, now your task is ilista ninyo in 1 minute, write all the polygons that you can find in this picture. All right? Okay, our time starts now. Ay, wait. Okay. Lagi siya mo play ang time. Sige. Sulat lang ninyo ha kung unsa ang mga polygon na inyong makita. Saglit lang ha. Okay, are you done? Okay. May I ask someone or anyone to share what are the polygons na imuhang nakita ani sa ato ang picture? Basin isa lang. Si Racia. Si kinsa tong nag-storya?
Square, ma'am.
Oh, sige Claire. Give at least one. Square. Okay, very good. What else?
Triangle, ma'am.
Triangle. Very good. Triangle. What else? Very good.
Rectangle, ma'am.
Rectangle. Very good. So we have our rectangle. What else?
Parallelogram.
Very good. We have here parallelogram. Okay, we identified square, triangle, rectangle, parallelogram. Ano pa? Even sa pagkaon, kanang nova ba na siya, mga chips, naapod siya in a form of triangle. Even sa ato ang surroundings, sa atong community, natay mga symbols na pentagon, kaning walking sign, naputay stop na sign, which is in a form of octagon. And even kaning mga symbols sa ato ang pagtabok sa pedestrian. So, these polygons, basin, asa tamo adto, makita nato ni sila. So this morning, may I ask Zion to please read our lesson objectives? Basahon lang.
At the end of the lesson, the student will be able to A. Find the sum of the measurement of the exterior and interior angles of a regular polygon. B. Solve the number of sides of a regular polygon. Give the sum of the measure of the interior angle. C. Relate the concept of interior angle to real life situation.
Okay, thank you, Zion. Very good. So this morning, we will talk about these lesson objectives. First, unsaon na to pagkita ang sum of the measures sa atong exterior and interior angle of regular polygon. As you can see sa inyong activity sheet, sa inyong first activity sa Module 5, you are tasked to find the measure of your exterior angle, the interior angle, and even the number of sides of a regular polygon. So this morning, atuan na siyang balan. And of course, solve the number of sides of regular polygon given the sum of the measure of the interior angle and relate the concept of interior angle to real life situation. So when we talk about regular polygon, a polygon is a two-dimensional geometric figure that has finite number of sides. When we talk about finite or finite, limited lang siya na ay hangganan ang iyahang number of side. So the sides or edges of a polygon are made of straight line segments. So mga line segments ang regular polygon connected end to end to form a closed shape. So the point where the two line segments meet is called vertex or corner, and subsequently an angle is formed. If a polygon contains congruent sides, then that is called a regular polygon. So in other words, a regular polygon is a closed plane figure bounded by line segments. So mo ninyo timan-an, ang regular polygon is a closed plane figure bounded by line segments. So we have here an example. Talk about regular polygon, composed na siya og mga line segment. Closed plane figure bounded by line segments. Dili tanan closed figure ha, regular polygon or polygon. Naatay mga closed figures, for example, circle. Ang circle ba composed siya og line segment, di ba? Dili man mga line segment ang compose sa circle. Basin closed figure siya, it is not considered polygon. Another example is heart. Ang heart is closed figure, right? Mag-drawing kang heart, iba closed figure. But dili siya composed of line segments. So atong timan-an sa polygon is a closed plane figure bounded by line segment. Meaning mga line ang ilahang made of lines para maka-create ta og shape. So now we have here types of polygons: triangle, we have quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon, and more other polygons. So balik ta sa definition, if a polygon contains congruent sides, meaning equal iyahang sides or equal ang iyahang angle, therefore ang ginatawag ana is regular polygon. So now let's talk about or discuss unsa ang exterior angle. So, pag regular polygon, iyahang angles are congruent or equal ang iyahang measure sa iyahang angles. So now, sa inyong activity sa Module 5, you are tasked to find the exterior angle. So always remember the exterior angles of irregular polygons are formed when we extend the sides of a polygon. So pag naatay polygon, for example, we have here triangle. Ang exterior angle are formed when we extend, meaning atong sumpayan ang side sa polygon. So, kani siya na ay angle diri, mao ni ato ang exterior angle. Meaning, ang angle nga naa sa gawa sa atuang polygon. Mao na atong ginatawag na exterior angle. Always know nga the sum of the total of this angle is always equal to 360. Pila ang sum sa total sa atong angle sa exterior angle? Always. Okay,
360 po, ma'am.
very good. So, mao na yung timanan pag exterior angle, ang sum meaning ang total sa angles ana is 360. For example, have the same measure. So kung unsa ang measure ani nga exterior angle, pag balhin pud sa isa ka angle, same lang na ilahang measurement. For example, diri sa tong picture, kung kani si angle 1 naa siya 50 88 degrees, for example, kani si angle 1 88 degrees. Therefore, ang measurement ni angle 2 and angle 3 is also 88 degrees. So, same lang ang measurement ni exterior angle. Okay? So, now, since the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is always equal to 360 degrees, we can divide by the number of sides of a regular polygon. So, to get the measure of individual angles, ato ang formula nga gamiton is 360 degrees over n, where ang n nato is the numbers of sides sa ato ang polygon. So take note ninyo ang formula para makuha nato ang measure sa each interior angle sa ato ang regular polygon. The formula that we're going to use is 360 degrees over n. So now, let's try this example. Find the measure of each interior angle of a regular pentagon. So, regular pentagon, pila ang sides sa ato ang regular pentagon or sa pentagon? Pila ang sides sa ato ang pentagon?
5 po, ma'am.
5,
Very
ma'am.
good. So, 5. So, our n is equal to 5. So, our task here is pangitaon na to ang measure sa each exterior angle sa ato ang regular pentagon. So, atong pangitaon is ang measure sa exterior angle sa ato ang regular pentagon. And now, na naman tay n is equal to 5. So, using our formula, we have here 360 degrees over n. So, sa atong buhaton, atong i-substitute ang value sa atong n, which is 5 sa ato ang formula. So, i-try nyo solve diha sa inyong papel. Let us see kung say ba taong answer. So, 360 degrees divided by n or 5, which is the value of our n. Sige daw, try ninyo. And if you have your answer, you can say it to our virtual room. So 360
72,
degrees
ma'am.
divided by 5. Come again, kinsa to?
72, ma'am.
Very good. So 360 degrees divided by 5 is equal to 72 degrees. So nakuha ba, class? Ang buhaton lang nato para makita ang measure sa ato ang each interior angle of a regular pentagon is first, kwaon nato ang number of sides sa ato ang regular pentagon. So pentagon is a 5-sided polygon, therefore n is equal to 5. Next natong buhaton is i-substitute si 5 sa atong formula nga 360 degrees divided by n. Now, after substituting, atong buhaton is i-divide na to. So, 360 degrees divided by 5 is equal to 72 degrees. Okay, nasabtan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am.
very good. So, we're done with the exterior angle. So, sa inyong papel, marag inyong task ato sa inyong activity sheets is you have to find the exterior angle of octagon and hexagon. So now, each exterior angle in a regular pentagon measures 72 degrees. Measures of the interior angle of a regular polygon. So now, let's try this activity. So, atong topic na is measure of the interior angle of irregular polygon. When we talk about interior, mao ni ang mga angle nga naa sa sulod sa atuang polygon. Pag exterior, mao to ang mga angle nga naa sa gawas sa atuang polygon. So karon atong buhaton is pangitaon na to ang sum sa measure sa interior angle sa atuang regular polygon. So try this activity. So connect me. So natay polygon diri, we have here the square or the four-sided polygon, the pentagon, and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hexagon. We have here square, pentagon, and hexagon. So pila ang number of sides sa atuang square?
4 po, ma'am.
Very good. We have 4. Now, our task is pangitaon doon nato ang number of triangles formed inside our polygon. So, pag drawingan nato ni siya og diagonal, pila na ang triangle nga nabuo sa ato ang polygon na square?
2 po, ma'am.
2. Okay, very good. So, next, we have here our pentagon. Pila ang sides sa atong pentagon?
5 po, ma'am.
Okay, how about if we're going to draw a diagonal lines? Pila na ang triangle?
3 po, ma'am.
Alright, so we have 3 triangles being formed in our polygon pentagon. So how about here we have hexagon na siya ay 6 nga sides. Kung drawingan nato diagonal, pila ang ma-form nga triangles?
4 po, ma'am.
Alright, we have 4 triangles. So, ma'am, ngayon nag-drawing man tag-diagonal sa polygon. So, in this activity, para mabalaan nato ang sum sa measure sa ato ang regular, sa interior angle sa atong regular polygon. So, here, as you can see, always remember nga si triangle ha, itatak na isulat sa inyong papel. Si triangle na naa siya 3 sides and isa ka triangle. Ang isa ka triangle, ang sum of interior angles ana is 180 degrees. Always remember na si triangle, iyahang sum of interior angles is 180 degrees. Again, triangle na ay sum of interior angles 180 degrees. Alright? So karon si square, gidrawingan nato siya og diagonal na natay duha ka triangle nga nabuo. So now, if ang isa ka triangle nag-measure siya og 180 degrees, pila naman ang sum of interior angles sa ato ang square kung naa na siya duha ka triangles nga nabuo?
360 po, ma'am.
Very good. So we have 360 degrees. Therefore, nganong na 360 siya kay duha iyahang triangle nga nabuo sa ato ang polygon. And isa ka triangle nag-measure siya 180 degrees, right? So 180, sulat na to para 180 times duha man ka triangle. So we have 360 degrees. Okay, so 360 degrees. How about si pentagon? Pila naman ang iyahang?
540 degrees.
Okay, very good. We have 540. Ngano, unsa to siya? 180 degrees times 3. Alright? So 180 times 3. So, say 540 degrees. 540 degrees ang sum of interior angles sa ato ang regular pentagon. How about sa hexagon?
720 degrees.
Okay, very good. We have 720 degrees. Okay, kaning mag-drawing tag triangle ay diagonal sa atong sa atong polygon, applicable lang ni siya og gamay ra ang side sa ato ang polygon. What if hatagan tag 20-sided polygon, no? Mabuang tag drawing og diagonal sa ato ang polygon. So now, atong buhaton is we have to use this formula in finding the sum of the measure of the interior angles of an n-gon. Meaning, n-gon is kani ang number of sides sa itong polygon. So, itong gamiton is S, or the sum of the measure of the interior angles, is equal to the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n is the number of sides and dapat ang n is dako or equal sa 3. Alright? So, itong formula, isulat ninyo S is equal to the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Unsa gani ni ang n? Unsa ni ang n? Unsa ang n ari? Ibig sabihin, where n is the number of sides of our polygon. Alright, so now we have here an example. So polygon, we have heptagon. Pila ang sides sa atong heptagon?
7, ma'am.
7 po, ma'am.
Okay, very good. We have 7 sides. So, using the formula, so di ba, atong formula para makuha ang sum of the interior angles is kani. S is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Sa atong buhaton, kasi heptagon na ay 7 sides, so gamit atong formula nga S is equal to the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So, i-substitute lang nato ang value sa atong n. Pila atong n? 7. Right? So, 7 minus 2 times 180 degrees. Atong buhaton sa is i-minus nato si 7 sa 2. So, we have 5. Now, after ana is i-multiply nato si 5 sa 180 degrees. So, ang sum of the measures of interior angles sa atong heptagon is equal to 900 degrees. Sabtan?
Opo.
Sabtan, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, try down ninyo si octagon. Using the formula, kana siya. S is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So, pangitaon ninyo ang n. So, ang pagpangita sa n, mauni siya ang number of sides sa inyong octagon or sa inyong polygon. Okay, substitute lang ninyo ang number of sides sa n. And if naanan yung answer, just say it in our virtual.
1,080 degree po.
1,080 degrees. Same ba ang answer? Same ba yung answer?
Nag-start pa.
Hi, sige. Kasi si Apple na siya answer. So let's wait sa uban kung same ba ang answer. Okay, are you done? All right, so now we have our octagon is, we have 8 sides. So n minus 2 using the formula. Okay, very good. 1,080 degrees. So, atong 8, i-substitute na to sa n. 8 minus 2 times 180 degrees. Now, 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. Now, 6 times 180 degrees. Atong sum of interior angles atong octagon is 180 degrees. Nasabtan?
Sabtan po, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So now, how about here? Try to answer this one. Find the sum of the interior angles of regular dodecagon. Ma'am, unsa ng dodecagon, ma'am? Dodecagon is 12 iyang sides. Ano ang tawag sa polygon na 12 ang sides? Dodecagon. Sige, try to answer. And tell me if you're done.
1,800, ma'am.
Okay, na natin answer 1,800. Same ba, uban?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's check if you're right. So, dodecagon na atay 12 sides. So, using the formula, 12 minus 2 times 180 degrees. 12 minus 2 is 10, and times 180 degrees, we have, very good, S is equal to 1,800 degrees. All right. So, now, how about decagon? Pila ang sides sa itong decagon? Anyone? Pila ang sides sa to ang decagon?
10, ma'am.
Okay, very good. 10. So, using the formula, so, sige, try to answer.
1,440 degrees, ma'am.
1,440 degrees. Same ba mo?
Same, ma'am.
Same po, ma'am.
All right. So, our answer is, nasabtan ba? Nasabtan sa tanan? So,
Opo, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, very good. So, 10 minus 2. Screenshot lang ninyo ha para na may mastadihan or isulat ninyo. So, 10 minus 2 times 180. So, 10 minus 2 is 8 times 180. So, our answer is 1,440. So, kung paspas na kayo, pwede ninyo i-screenshot ang screen para tira na lang mo after magsulat. Right? Okay, so again, in finding the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon, ang formula is S is equal to the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Okay? So, ang n is the number of sides of our regular decagon or regular polygon. So, now, atong task na pod ni number 3 is what kind of regular polygon if the sum of interior angle is 900 degrees? So, ang gipangita is unsa nga polygon daw if ang iyahang sum of interior angle is 900 degrees. So, karon polygon na po itong pangitaon. Unsa siya nga polygon kung iyahang total sa iyang interior angle is 900 degrees. So, to find this one, atong gamiton is ato lang i-derive ang formula nga S is equal to the quantity of n minus 2 times 180 degrees. So, ikuan sa ni isulat sa inyo. Tayon ta mag 5 seconds to write this in your notebook or screenshot. So, para makita na to unsa nga klase nga polygon ato ang ginapangita. So, kani ang formula nato ang gamito. So, 180 degrees n is equal to S plus 360. Alright? Screenshot na or nasulat na?
Po, ma'am.
Sige, kani siya nga formula is pangitaon na to ang pangalan sa regular polygon. Okay? So now, this one, let's have this example. What kind of regular polygon if the sum of interior angle is 900 degrees? So, ang S na to is 900. Kaya mao man ni siya itong sum, tama? So, now, using the formula, 180 degrees N is equal to S plus 360 degrees. So, na naman tayo value sa itong S, which is the sum of the interior angle is 900 degrees. So, i-substitute lang nato na siya. 180 degrees N is equal to 90 plus 900 degrees plus 360. So, now, nanatay 180 degrees and so 900 plus 360 degrees is equal to 1,260 degrees. So para n na lang ang mabilin, i-divide nato na sila both side og 180. Okay? Para n na lang ang mabilin kay ang n man atong pangitaon, tama? Kay mao ni ang n ang number of sides ato ang polygon. So para makita na, para mabala na to ang pangalan sa atong regular polygon, syempre pangitaon na to ang number of sides. Kapag makita na to ang number of sides, makabalo na ta ay kanina siya nga polygon kapag iyang sum of interior angle is 900 degrees. Alright? So 180 degrees and divided by 180 is equal to 1,260 divided by 180 degrees. So ma-cancel na ni si 180 o si 180. So, cancel na siya. Therefore, tanggal na siya. Walang siya ilabot. Cancel na nato. Kay same man siya ang atong numerator o denominator. So, cancel na siya. Now, n na lang ang nabilin. So, karon 1,260 degrees divided by 180 degrees. Pila man?
7.
7. Tama ba? Same ba mo?
Ma'am, yes po, ma'am.
Okay, let's try to see if tama ba. Very good. So 1,260 divided by 180 is equal to n is equal to 7. So pag 7 ang n, unsa siya nga regular polygon?
Heptagon, ma'am.
Very good. Heptagon. So, nasabtan ni siya para makita nato ang ang regular polygon. Atong formula na gamiton is 180 degrees n is equal to s plus 360 degrees. So, very good. Kapag ang sum of interior angle is 900 degrees, ang ato ang polygon or regular polygon is heptagon. Okay? Nakuha?
Opo, ma'am.
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So, karon i-screenshot lang ninyo ni kaning number 4 and i-send ninyo sa atong GC kung tama, kung unsa ang answer. Sige, i-screenshot lang ninyo kay wait na mag alas 9. Screenshot na.
Dana
Yes
po,
po.
ma'am.
Okay, kung
Opo,
kinsa tong naka-screenshot, i-send lang sa atong group chat ha. Ay, sige, ako sang para. Sige, kani, screenshot po ni ansira ninyo ni and i-send ninyo sa ato ang GC inyong answer. Sige, screenshot. Kung kinsa si Villona or Zion, please screenshot.